Okay, folks, we're back and we're going to continue our project here and do the rest of these rooms and add lights and switches. So first thing we want to do is we want to go into our Analyze tab and pick up these rooms. So we're going to go grab our space. We're going to place a room here, space here, a space right here, a space in here. We'll do a hallway as well. I want a space here and here. Now, we can name these two different ways. Let's just hit modify to get out of that command. So we can select the space and we can name it over here. That's the living room, you see. So we can pick this space here now. Let's call this one, we can double click as well. So let's just make it easy. Just double click here. And let's call this bedroom 1. Oops, sorry. This space right here will be our laundry room. Stay consistent. This room will be our bathroom. Let's just say bath. We'll just run through this right quick. So let's go here and call this bedroom 2. 2. And for this one, let's call this master bedroom. Good. And this space will be our kitchen and dining area. There. So now we have all our rooms selected and everything, and we did our one circuit and we have our panel. That should all still be set up. So let's go in and finish our power. So let's make this scale a little bit bigger. I don't know. A quarter, there you go, that's better. So let's select this one and hit power. And we want to select our panel, panel 1. And let's pick this one, this one. Let's see if we can keep all these on one circuit here, on this side. Okay, now let's select this guy here. Let's do a tab. Okay, we didn't pick those up, sorry. So let's go back here again. I'm sorry. So let's hit this guy. Let's go circuits. Let's edit circuits. That's where we're supposed to go. I'm sorry. So let's pick up this one. The GFCI here, this one, and this one. And let's click finish. So we hit our tab here. And there's a circuit and there's our home run, so we can go in and hit wire arc to finish that off. So we have that side done. Now let's go and do this side. So let's go select this one, hit power to add the circuit. And then let's go here, edit circuit. And let's add this one, this one, this one. See if we can grab these two as well on this one circuit. Yeah, I think we can, and let's finish it. Let's do tab this guy, and there's our other circuit, and let's hit the wire arc. So there's our electrical power plan for our kitchen. Now, let's go up and let's do some light fixtures now. So to do that, we want to go to our ceiling 1 level, grid level, ceiling 1. Now up here on the ceiling, as you can see, we have our panel, and you can see the GFCI here because it's at that level. So let's go and place some light fixtures. So let's go in here where it says system, and let's do a light fixture. So we want to pick up, don't have any there, so let's go and load a family, insert, and let's go load family. Now for this house, let's go to lighting. We're going to go to MEP, internal, and let's do a downlight recess recandescent. Let's hit open. So now you'll see that in our properties box, dialog box, and we'll go to systems again, and let's go light fixture. And we don't see it here. So what we have to do is, why I don't know. So we got a problem here. So let's go to our modify. Let's see if we can place on a face. There it is. So let's place like, let's go in here. Let's place one there. I think maybe 6 in the front. So we grab these here to hit modify. Let's just copy these down. So we just go and grab these and then copy. Constrain and multiple. And grab this guy here and just go run about there. And let's put some there. And since we're over here, we got these guys. Let's go grab our kitchen, do the same thing. There. And there. Now let's modify, escape out of that. Now let's go place some switches in our bedrooms, in our other rooms. So, I mean lights, I'm sorry. Take a light fixture and let's place one on space. Put one there. One there. You can get real fancy with these lights if you want. I'm just using these for an example. And one there. So there you have it. There's our light fixture. So now what we want to do now is we want to hit the modifier to get out of this come in. Let's go have a look at this in our 3D view. Okay. Let's go into our south elevation. And they appear to be on the top plate. But what I notice here is this level, it did attach to our plane because we had room bonding on the top plate, and that's where they want to go, because that's where our ceiling is. But this level should normally be aligned with this one. So let's just do this now. Align this to this right here. And you go. So we have our ceiling plan done. Ceiling 1. There's our ceiling, and there are our light fixtures, all in there. Now, we got the roof ridges here, so let's go and see if we can shut those off. Let's go BV. Let's go to our Revit links by host. I want to go to custom here. Oh, I'm sorry, model categories and custom, and then here I want to go to custom. I'm sorry, custom here. And let's go down and see if we can shut off the roof without any damage. Apply. Okay. Okay, so this is really what we want to see in our ceiling plan for our level here. So we got our light fixtures in and we've got our panel. So now what we need to do is we need to basically do the same thing we did with the power. So we want to select a light fixture here, and we go to power, and we want to go to that panel. So there's our home run onto that panel. So to do that, we want to edit the circuit, and let's pick up the rest of these light fixtures. If we can. I don't know if we can get them all here. We might. We did. And let's hit finish. So we have our lighting circuit. Let's hit tab. And there's our light fixtures. And we can do arc wire. So there are all our light fixtures going back to our panel. And let's have a look at our panel schedule that we had already created for the one room. And there's our receptacles. Okay. So now let's move on and add our switches here. And I've got a little call here. Let me take a quick break. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now let's go ahead and add some switches here. So we go into our system and let's add device, lighting switches. So this for this room, let me see what we have here. Let's just have this a door switch here. We'll put one here, one there, one just at each door. I think we'll probably need one here as well. And in the living room, let's get a little fancy. Let's put a dimmer in the living room here. Let's place it right here. We probably need it put it here. Yes. So we have all of our light switches done, and we want to hit modify to get out of this command. So now to connect the switches, we need to select the switch. Select the light fixture. And let's just hit switch. And we'll edit system. And so we'll add to the system. So we're going to add this light, this light, this light, this light, and this light. We will select our switch and finish. And we can select that light fixture and tab, and there's our switches. And we can, yeah, so that's good. So we can hit tab. And there are switches for the light fixtures. Now let's do this room here. So select the switch, select the light fixture, switch, there. This tab, make sure we have it selected. Nope, we don't. Sorry. So let's go tab here. It's not selected, so let's go try that again. Let's hit that light fixture. Switch systems here. We're going to add switch. And there. And let's hit tab and see if we have it. So let's hit tab here. There we have that one. So let's go to this one. See, these will probably these are probably done wrong, but I just want to show you how this works. So let's go and select this light fixture. Hit this switch. Hit this switch. I'm sorry. I'm going to select the light fixture. Then hit switch. and then select switch, and there's our light for that switch. So we go all through here and do this. So for the kitchen, let's just do the same thing. Basically, let's select this light, and then we'll go switch, and then we'll edit system. We will go select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and finish. So that light fixture should be selected. I'm sorry, we're gonna select the switch. It gets a little tricky. Just bear with me, folks. If you can help me out here, I appreciate it. I've got these circuits all hooked up this way, and they probably shouldn't be this. This is probably not right. I just want to show you how this works. So I want to go and grab this light fixture again. Go into switch systems. I want to edit the system. This works just like the power. Select switch. Add system. So anyway, I'm not good at this. I'm not an electrical person, but anyway, this is how you do your lighting and your power floor plans. So these are all done, and let's go have a look at our panel. So there you have it. So anyway, hey folks, thanks for watching this video. Any questions, comments, please add. This is just a basic example of how you do lighting and power in our model. So next is going to be HVAC systems. Again, thank you for watching. Any comments, please put them in the comment section. I appreciate it. So I'm going to leave it there and have a good night. Bye.